Hi, I'm Inspector Strasberg, and this is Inspector Larson, and we're school bus inspectors for the Wisconsin State Patrol. School buses are among the safest vehicles on our roads for several reasons. They are designed and constructed with one primary goal: occupant safety. Students are 70 times more likely to get to school safely in a bus than in a car, according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. School buses are highly visible vehicles operated by conscientious drivers. The Wisconsin State Patrol inspects every Wisconsin school bus annually, conducting about 12,000 inspections each year. Inspectors look at mechanical equipment such as steering, brakes, emergency exits, first aid kits, and fire extinguishers. Wisconsin school buses also have amber lights. When the school bus is about to stop, the flashing amber lights come on. That signals drivers to slow down because red flashing lights will soon be activated. Despite safety measures, crashes still happen, which is why it's important for all drivers to be aware and alert in school zones. Thanks for helping to do your part to keep children safe.